Okay guys, just to make a catch up of what happened today. See on the ES. Okay, this is the trades in the morning. This, like you saw in the video, this was too quick and the price never pulled back. Well, pulling back sometimes it's not a good idea, because sometimes when price pushes up, they really just exit the trade. Okay, so the people that win that market exits the trade and the price falls off and stops you out. So sometimes it's a good idea just to hold the trade until it gets filled, and sometimes it's not a good idea. Sometimes you will lose. Okay, so it took a while to get this thing filled. Okay, so we tagged the ATR as expected. Institutional measured move. I've been talking about the ATRs for years. This is an institutional ATR. I know people that trade this. They load the price here. They load the contracts here, and they hold the position, and they keep adding to the position, okay, to the upside, until it make 2 or 3, 4K during the day. So that's another strategy, but we're not talking about that right now. Okay, so we got this another bullish momentum here, vertical line, the momentum line. We didn't get filled, didn't work. Price was too quick. Okay, as you can see, it was look at all these prints here to the upside. This was stacked imbalances to the upside. We were buyers. They swiped the book over here. So as you can see here, we price retraced, and well, it got filled here and went to the target. Then we tagged again the ATR again. It was the same thing, rinse, wash, and repeat, guys. Okay, you see prices here, they stopped here and they started going to the upside. Okay, so you do the math if you can hold these ATRs. Okay, so we did the other trade, and it was a winner here. We entered here. We was more than a minute holding this trade. Okay, so we had this short, but as we already did the profits, no more trading until the afternoon. So I will just chill out here.